Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna go eat my last salad for this 21 days. I'm over salad. Like, I just want something else. So if you want to see what quick simple look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna use this palette from Mario. I feel like I'm using this palette like every day, but you know what? It's giving what it needs to give for the moment. I don't really have a lot of time, so I know like how all content, I know like it's annoying that all content creators are like, oh, I don't have time, I don't have time.
I'm late for a very important date. No time to say hello, goodbye. I'm late.
I don't have, the reason why I don't have time is because I'm trying to go to a salad place and they close early, so, and this week took me forever. So let's jump into this Makeup by Mario palette. I'm gonna go, I think in the black shade, but I'm gonna take something else from another palette. So I'm just gonna put this right here. This is on a Y209 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. So I'm just gonna leave it like right here, like right in my like outer V, like right here. I'm not bringing it up or anything like that, because if you're scared to use black, like this palette is perfect. Like, it's so easy to blend and just, like, I don't consider myself a makeup artist. I consider myself a makeup lover. I like to use makeup and I just want to share the makeups I love with you guys. See, like, kind of like, so leave it like tight a little bit, and just, I'm trying to blend the edge a little bit so it doesn't like be super harsh, but this is so easy to blend, so easy. Cleaning this brush, this is a F150 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm gonna go into this palette. This is the Keandra Taylor and Plain Makeup by Yolondo collab. I just need one shade from here a little bit. Maybe let's try Barb's. It's a pinky shade. Just try to blend this. I'm trying not to go too high with this, cause girl, that could be crazy. Now I'm gonna go back to that black. I feel like I lost some of the black a little bit. I so need to bring up my brushes. I have a whole pile of brushes that I wash, but bringing it upstairs is another story. Okay, this is a what? A T209. Do I want a shimmer? Maybe. Let's do this shimmer. I wish the shimmer had a little bit more kick, but... And then maybe manifest a little bit here. See, this one has more of a kick than the other one. See? This palette was like limited edition and it's not even on their site anymore. But that's usually how collabs go. But I'm gonna use it because I already have it. But to be honest, like, you can get that look from like a lot of the her palettes because they pretty much do the same thing. Nothing crazy different. I'm gonna go back to that black a little bit. Right here. Perfect. So that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Hi guys, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. So this site is interesting. Like, it is very, stuff they have about the foundation is wild to me. So the description, it says hashtag perfect base. It said it's long lasting poreless liquid foundation. This is from Tatcha. This is actually old. I think they changed their packaging. I need to finish this up. But it is the Tatcha Poreless Silk Primer. This is from Huda Beauty and it's just concealer or corrector. Sorry, corrector. And then I'm just using a brush. You can use any brush to do this. You can use concealer to do this as well. I just like using this. So my shade is YL23, 20 shades, and I think I'm one of those darker shades. So let's shake. This sounds very liquidy. And oh, that might be a good match. Done. Let's do one size concealer. That is it. Let us do some bronzer. I had a whole stack of bronzer here. No, I can't find them. Like, what's up with that? You know, sometimes I'm trying to like mix up the stuff, but sometimes I can't find it. So I found this Juvia's Place contour, but I think this is like too light. This will work, I guess. I don't know where I put the other ones. It's like when I put this on my like chin or my the bone like right here, my jawbone on my chin, it's like, it's crazy, like the pigment. But when I put it on the rest of my face, the pigment is like, see, look at this, barely there, but it's good. Now let us blend this concealer. This concealer dries so fast. You have to like work with it really fast. If not, you're gonna have a mess on your hand. But it's a really good concealer, so you just have to make it work. Okay, now my little spongy thingies with my Charlotte powder in shade 1. I'm only putting this under my eye, like so. Now let's go ahead and set the rest of the face. This is like on its last leg. This is my Laura Mercier powder, and it's literally like done. Now let's set the rest of the face. My broken powder, but we're gonna use it. And this is my powder from Sephora. Making sure my face is nice and matte because I don't want my bronzer to do anything crazy. I don't really like this brush actually for this because I feel like it's not picking up enough powder. You know what I mean? It's like... Now let us put a little bit of this in my waterline. Not in my waterline, but this is definitely black, but there's no fallout, so that's good. And now I'm gonna go into that pink. Just put a little bit. It's the faces. And I'm gonna put this Fake It from Tarte in my waterline. So we're gonna jump in the bronzer, but I need to take out this wig thing because I want to make sure I go close to my hairline as possible, because we're trying to have no, you know, not looking good hairline. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so let us jump into contour or bronzer. I'm gonna use my MAC Rich Collection Skin Finish because I want to go as close like right here, you know. And I'm using this brush from Rae Morris. Again, this brush is old and I got this brush because I thought I needed this brush to apply my contour nicely. Nope, you don't need this brush. You can do everything with just like a regular contour brush. I was just starting up in makeup and there was some like influencers, that's the only brushes they would use, and I was like, but like pretty much I was influenced to get this brush because I thought that's the only brush I could use if I wanted to have a good contour, so I got it. No, you don't need this brush at all. I think this brush was like $100. You can get so many other brushes that do the same thing. And while I go real heavy with my contour, I don't know, I have a little bit of like thing right here. My contour is kind of gathering there, but it's fine. I'll make it work. And I need a blush. I think I'm gonna mix these two. So this is burnt pepper and pink swan from MAC. To kind of match my eye a bit. And let's go in with burnt pepper. That's a lot. But whenever I do this, just put a little bit of this shade, just bring it down to my inner corner right here. And I'm gonna line my lips with Free Burgundy from Makeup Forever. Okay, so that's it for this video. I actually like how the look came out. It looks nice and cute and simple. So yeah, I'm gonna go, you know, hang out with the hubby. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet.